Okay.
Center.
Center here.
So gorgeous. How gorgeous.
How gorgeous. Oh. Kala ko J. Oh. Opa.
Because Thailand and the Philippines is now pageantry friends for, and of course we're rooting for Christian to get in the top four, right? So what were your...
I told her that I think you know what I'm gonna say. And I did say
Wave. Suwaiba. Okay.
Selfie with you. Thank you.
Inquirer Thailand.